How to become solar panel installer. To become solar panel installer, follow these steps to gain the necessary education, experience, and certifications. Acquire knowledge and skills in renewable energy and electrical systems through education or certification programs. Look for opportunities to gain hands-on experience in solar panel installation through internships or apprenticeships. Enhance your credibility with industry-recognized certifications like NABCET's PV Installation Professional Certification. Keep yourself informed about the latest developments, technologies, and regulations in the solar energy industry. Focus on developing technical skills related to solar panel installation, including understanding electrical systems and pertaining system maintenance. Build relationships with professionals in the solar industry through associations and networking events. Decide whether to start your own business or work for an existing company. Prioritize safety by familiarizing yourself with guidelines, equipment usage, and best practices. Stay updated on advancements in technology and regulations through continuing education programs. Develop strong communication and interpersonal skill to provide excellent customer service to clients. Research and comply with specific requirements and certifications applicable in your area to become a solar panel installer. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for next episode.